In this video we're going to review use of the library that's shared by all of your Time Cycles research programs. If you create a chart data card in one program, it will be stored in your library and it's accessible by all of your programs. Doesn't matter which program you create it in, it's stored in one place, one library, used by all of your programs. Think of the library as a file cabinet. In that file cabinet there are files. In each file you can store up to 960 different chart data cards. Let's begin by creating a new chart data card. We'll call this one David Sample 06/23/1973. Time 11:08 a.m. City Santa Cruz. Oops, misspell. There we go. California, CA. Now I'm going to hit the Atlas button. From the list I'm going to select Santa Cruz, insert, and I'm ready to save this card. However, I've yet to create a chart file in which I'm going to save it. Now you can call your chart files whatever you want. People will generally create family, friends, my charts, clients, but you can organize them with whatever name groupings you choose. So I'm going to go to the library, click on the library. You notice at the bottom it says new chart file. I click on that and a window opens that allows me to name the chart file that I'm going to create. So save as, let's call this Friends Charts. Very important next step. If it does not say Charts folder here, then you want to navigate to the Charts folder. All of your saved cards, your files, everything have to be in the Charts folder for the program to be able to see them and use them. If you need to navigate to it, you'd go to Documents, you'd select IO Files, and there you see the Charts folder. You'd select that. Now we've named it Friends Charts. It's going to be stored in the Charts folder where it's supposed to be. I'm going to hit the Save button and you'll see a couple things happen. One, a chart file called Friends Charts opens. There's nothing in it yet. We haven't saved anything there. And in the list of the library you can see Friends Charts. Now let's go back to the data card. Data card's ready to save. We know where we want to save it. There are two ways to tell the program where you want to save a chart data card. You don't necessarily have to have the chart file open. You can simply find it in the list, highlight it. You see it's highlighted in blue. That tells the program that you want to save this chart data card there. Or you can have the chart file open and have it the front chart file window. So I'm back to the card, I hit save, and you'll see that David's name appears in the list of Friends Charts. His chart data, a thumbnail of his chart data is here. So we're ready to create a chart, which for fun we'll create a chart. Select AM Aspect Traditional. There we have our chart. Now we don't need this any longer. We don't need David's card open. In the chart file management system you can do a number of things. You'll notice that there are buttons across the bottom. The first button is Quick View. If I click that, a quick view of a chart, David's chart, opens up. Now at the bottom of the chart is a place that I can make notes about this particular chart. For example, this could be David's special birthday chart wheel. And once it's in there, you'll see that I can close it, open it up again, and the notes are still there. So I can make whatever type of notes I want on any type of chart that I'm creating and saving. The second button just allows you to create an info card, shortcut to creating that. The third button is chart file window. So if I wanted to create a new chart file for the library, it allows me to quick step right to it. I don't want to do that right now. Then of course the library window, and then this is an important one. If for example I wanted to delete a chart, I would highlight the chart, hit the delete button. It does ask me if I'm sure I want to delete it. In this case I do not, so I'm going to cancel it, but if I did want to delete it, I just click the delete button and it's gone. Now, a couple important things about the chart library and the charts files. If I mistakenly put someone in the wrong file and I want to move it, or if I decide that I want to move someone to a particular file, all I have to do is open the second window. In this case, or the target chart file, I should say. And in this case, I'm going to open example charts. I'm going to line them up next to each other, and I'd like to move Muhammad Ali from example charts to friends. He'd be a good friend to have. I just drag the name over there. So I click down, hold, here comes Al Capone, drag it to the list window, let go, and I have Muhammad Ali and Al Capone as friends now. I think I'll not have Al Capone as a friend, so I'm going to move him back to the example charts. So I just grab him, hold down, move him over to the list, let go, and it goes into alphabetical order, just as it should. That's the basics of the chart storage system that's built into all of your Time Cycles research software. I hope this helps you.